This podcast is dedicatedly to show people how they can solve problems, and as well as creating a support network with this network helping each other to solve specifically any problems that they encounter. It could be tax, it could be accounting, and it could be many other problems that is existing in the business space. So we have today with us Joseph, and he's from Iceland. Could you please provide a brief overview of your business and share what inspired you to enter in this field?
Tax preparation became a big industry, so Eisler came onto the scene generations ago. And what we were finding is that people wanted more than just tax compliance, they wanted tax planning. And as we worked with clients with their financial picture, their financial advisors were more focused often on stock picking. Say, if we can grab the right stocks, that's how you make money. People are finding you really do better in your finances if you find stable companies and let them grow. The problem that people are having though is the tax is killing them. And so really to be able to merge your financial planning with your tax picture, that's the next level.
When you have parents and you think about all sorts of tax things, in the UK is different, in the USA as well as it's different. But if you do not understand what type of taxation you would cater for, it would be difficult. You will lose a lot of money if you do not tailor that to the next levels.
Don't get confused by the word separately managed account or SMA. An SMA is just an account that doesn't hold mutual funds, that holds individual stocks that you can sell those stocks strategically to harvest losses or time the gains as you want to. So the pros of the Flex SMA is you're going to get a tax deferral on the capital gains on your terms. The trend is not favorable to the next generation. So people that are willing to invest in relationships with their tax strategists are going to minimize the pain. We know any of us can grab a mutual fund or an index fund and watch it ride and ebb and flow with the market. That's not the challenge with financial planning anymore. The financial planning are watching your fees, watching your taxes, and implementing your risk tolerance in a way that's tailored to your individual interests and needs.
If someone knew they wanted to master in your field, how would you support them, and what advice do you give it to them?
I would say if you are willing to get out there and listen and do self-education, you're going to get ahead. And when I say self-education, I'm not talking about the CE classes or CPE classes that are required, the 20 minimum per year, 60 every 2 years we have here in Oregon. People who are strategic and innovative, you're going to want to make sure you are just a constant learner. And that would be my best advice.
Artificial intelligence will not solve your taxation problem because it's beyond that limit. Maybe it will take another few years for artificial intelligence to talk about the work you do.